You know, film collaboration is always trust. It's first of all, and it's actually about friendship, building family. It's almost the same model. So we found each other. I don't exactly remember the place we found, but it's kind of looking into eyes, and I said, this is the person I would love to make a film together or make our journey together. What I learned working together on co-productions, which is always difficult. You know, first of all, it's different cultures, so you need to be patient and you need to understand that your partner is from a different culture. You cannot get nervous about some of his decisions, which are maybe related to his own culture you don't understand. And that's why we're also making films to be seen worldwide. And this is the good side of the collaboration, to learn to be patient and to understand culture, which is kind of enriching your film, your production.
It's true, it's not easy at the beginning to have this idea that we can collaborate. It looks so far, but we find a straight way to them. And then we have been working with a couple of films, and now we feel very comfortable. In the projects that we have been sharing with Lithuania, we have not been filming there. They were filming in Spain, and in the second project, in Lobster Soup, our post-production, color correction, the music was done there. So everything we found, it was positive. For example, now we are sharing our composer with their musics. And it fits very well, and we are talking to work together in this way again. It has been very easy, and of course if we have to have some shooting in the future in the Baltic countries, we feel very safe and we trust that it will be fine for us.
In Lithuania, in our studio, we almost use tax incentive scheme for all our films, and local productions and co-productions also. So yes, it's very helpful when you have some kind of possibility to get this money in the end of your production. And it works in Lithuania quite well, because we have 33,000 euros to be spent in Lithuania. And from that sum, we could get 30% for our project. This new media scheme of co-development, of course, make forward to do more co-developments, but we have our experience that few our co-produced films already had co-development in very early stage, and this media new rules not make so big impact on our preparing all strategy of film and the financing of the film.
Actually, we're working on two projects and plan to do again with the same Spanish partners. One is presented here in the pitching forum, and another is still in very early stage development. It's on I would say Spanish topic of Camino de Santiago, semi-fiction. So I hope we will do that films. During making a film, you are not a partners, you are becoming a friends. And next thing, you are satisfied by creative cooperation. But one film that we are planning to do together is called Camino by Jokūbas. It could be a hybrid film, not real fiction, not real documentary. I don't know how it's important to make either fiction, either documentary, because it depends on your story. If you're sometimes in the documentary, you can find so fantastic stories that you never can write a script. In this new film, we try to combine, to make all two sides, two powers of cinema, to put in one and to see what's happened.